EzoBord is a leading producer of design-driven architectural acoustical solutions. Their materials set the gold standard in acoustic performance and offer full customization, spanning across ceilings, walls, dividers, and furniture applications. EzoBord employs a unique manufacturing process, blending natural and synthetic fibers to create PET acoustic panels. These panels are carefully designed to meet specific acoustical requirements while ensuring a consistent and rich depth of color through dye impregnation. EzoBord ceiling acoustic panels are a visual marvel, available in various configurations and an extensive palette of colors. These panels not only enhance the aesthetics of a space, but also excel at sound absorption, making them a compelling choice. EzoBord's decorative acoustic wall panels offer a diverse range of geometric, tiled, and patterned treatments, allowing for creative space definition. The option of suspended work zone dividers adds an element of visual privacy, sound absorption, and style. For office environments, EzoBord provides a sustainable range of soundproofing solutions, from desk divider screens to seating privacy solutions, modesty panels to flexible office dividers. This ensures that offices remain functional, visually pleasing, and conducive to productivity. EzoPrint allows for unparalleled personalization of acoustic panels. It enables users to infuse their unique style by choosing from a wide array of colors and collections. The applications are effortless and work seamlessly with EzoBord and EzoCore acoustic materials. EzoLayers combines the high-performance acoustics of EzoCore, or EzoBord, with the elegance and softness of EzoFelt acoustic felt layers. This combination offers unlimited possibilities for creating diverse color and texture combinations in projects. If you'd like to chat with one of our experts or schedule a visit to our showroom to view a sampling of products from EzoBord, contact the Ginger Grant Group today.